Planning a motorhome holiday is an exciting time, and packing all the right things is going to set you up for a stress-free and relaxing getaway. Where you decide to pick up your motorhome in Australia will influence what you decide to pack. For example, if you're in Melbourne for the winter, you'll likely wear more layers than you might in Cairns. Let's get into it. Tip 1. How to start planning your motorhome holiday. You'll want to plan a budget, the type of vehicle you'd like to hire, and an itinerary for your trip. It's also nice to plan out some motorhome-friendly meals that you can cook on the go. To avoid any surprises, also try to map out your petrol stops in advance, especially if you're in a remote area. Tip 2. What should you pack for your motorhome holiday? From campsite reservations and emergency numbers to maps and cameras, you'll want to consider a range of essential items. As for clothes, you'll need a good variety that will suit any type of weather. We'll provide all the kitchen basics, bedding, and linen, so you only need to bring things that will keep you and your companions entertained and comfortable. Are you ready to start packing for your long motorhome road trip? What you decide to bring with you, and what you leave behind, will make your trip go smoothly. So, start planning and book your motorhome hire today. Call our friendly reservations team to prepare for the trip of a lifetime.